Hello everyone. This application is all about customer weather and geolocation. This Odoo app help for showing customer location map view and weather forecast information in the contact form view when the customer is created on the contact module. And this is helpful for the user location weather forecast information from the navigation history by clicking on weather icon. This is for Odoo 17 enterprise version, and now I will show how this application will be working. After installing this app, first we need to go to the settings. You will be able to see here an icon of a cloud where it is a weather forecast of this particular module. So here you will be able to see all the information of weather, the date and the timing and the cloud, and how it feels like the maximum and minimum degree celsius and humidity and wind. So all these information will be shown in this particular cloud icon. For getting this weather report, first we need to go to the main settings. Under the main settings we have a option for putting up the weather API key. So here we need to update the weather API key in this particular form, and after this is done we need to save this configuration. After saving the configuration we need to go to the contact module, and here I'll be creating a new contact, that is browse info, and I am giving this as a company. And for this particular browse info I'll be selecting the address from the, and I'm updating the address as street, and here I'll give the state as Gujarat, and I'll be updating the city as Ahmedabad, and based on the state the country will be taken automatically. And now I am putting up the zip code of this particular company. So I'm putting up this pin code, and after updating all this information I will save this. So here you will be able to see a new tab called location and weather forecast. Clicking on this particular tab, you will be able to see the location map of this particular company browse info and the weather forecast of this company. So here in the location, you will be able to see where exactly this company is located, and in weather, we will be able to see the date and the timings and the cloud and fields like maximum and minimum degree Celsius, humidity and wind temperature. All these information will be shown in the weather forecast when the API key is updated. And if you want to view this in the large, you can click on this view larger map. So the map will be coming in the large view. And if you want to zoom in, you can zoom in. And if you want to zoom out this, you can just zoom out. And this can be look into this, and the location map and weather forecast can be updated. And similarly, now I'll be creating a new contact called John, and I'm giving as individual. And here I will give a street address as HAL Old Airport Road, and I'm giving the state as Karnataka, and here I'm giving the city as Bangalore. With all these information, I'll be saving this particular contact. So here I'm giving the state as Karnataka, and I'm giving the city as Bangalore, and the country will be India, and I'm saving this location. After saving this contact individual, in the location and weather forecast, you will be able to see the location map of the HAL Old Airport Road direction with the weather forecast in this particular area. So if I want to view in the larger map, I can just click on that particular button, and here you can view the HAL Old Airport Road where the address will be located. You can zoom in and you can zoom out of this particular map, and here you will have the information of weather forecast with all these details. So this is regarding the customer weather and the geolocation. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.